Okay.
Quiet on the set.
Quiet on the set. Hi, you guys. Welcome back, superstars. So I have a feast, and I got two bitches here with me that are ready to eat. Oh, yeah, I ain't got no napkins. You ain't even tasted it yet. So, yes. Who would like to make a toast? Let's make a toast.
All right.
You make a toast, Mindy.
Yeah, you make a toast, Jazmuyn.
Okay, you make a toast, Jazmuyn. Be my guest.
Nope.
All right, well, cheers to great life, great friends, and great success.
Exactly.
Yes. All right. So we are drinking. Oh, that's strong. It's definitely stronger.
Told you.
Ooh, a little absolute. Okay, y'all, go ahead.
You gotta tell the people what we have.
They see it, bitch. It's all on the camera. Y'all, we got all the crab legs, shrimp, potatoes, sausage, and corn.
All the stuff.
And everybody got their own little sauce.
Sauces.
That's right. Yes. Okay, go ahead, guest.
Okay, let's start with
Grab something.
a sausage.
Yes. So I normally would put the sausage in the pot, oil. So, what shall we talk about today? Who oh Lord. I know Jasmine got a lot to talk about. I was hungry too.
Up, up.
I was hungry. Did y'all see Wendy Williams?
No. No.
On her show, she tells everybody how she has still been struggling with like her addiction.
To what?
And that she's been living in a sober house for months.
What? Oh, I didn't know this. Where was I?
I didn't see that.
I think the show was from today.
I did not see that.
What type of addiction are we talking about?
Cocaine.
What? Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. But that's good that she's getting help.
Yeah, she's being open about it too. I think that's what I always liked about her though.
How long has she been going through that? Did she
Girl,
say?
years.
Years, right?
She was back on radio.
And then she stopped. Well, maybe she didn't. You never know.
Yep. It's been years
I didn't know
that she's been struggling with her addiction. So what she said is that she goes, she'll come and tape the show. And when she's done with the show, she'll go to her 2-hour Pilates. And then after that, she has a 24-hour sober coach.
Wow.
That stays with her. She don't stay at the house with her family, and only her son and her husband knew.
Oh, wow. So all that stuff that was going on with her husband in the news, is that true? Did she address
Wait,
that?
she doesn't stay at the house with her husband?
She stay at a sober house, sober living house. Their bedtime is 10 p.m. Lights go out.
What? She must have been really on that.
So after her Pilates, they take her to like different meetings and stuff for her to be, around other people or whatever.
Right.
And talk about their problems. And she says she loves it because they don't look at her like Wendy Williams.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? They ain't trying to get her autograph. They ain't trying to be up in her business or whatever like that.
What's that?
Yeah, because everything's really private, right?
Yep. Yeah, child.
Wow.
I do want to say that I'm not going to get the crab legs like frozen in a bag.
What's wrong?
No, they're fine. I just prefer when I can actually pick the clusters out myself. I don't know.
Have you
I
ever
feel like
been
there's a difference.
to Lombardi's?
Girl, that's where I get them king crab from.
One of my clients was telling me about it. She was like, "You need to go to Lombardi's."
And their stuff is reasonable too.
Really?
And fresh. And it's clean. Yeah. I got like a pound and a half. Like a pound and a half for like $33
Oh,
of king
good.
crab. Oh,
That's
weird.
good for king
That
crab.
is good.
Mm-hmm. At first I was nervous because I was like, ooh, it's kind of cheap.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
But they was fine.
Mm-hmm.
Really good. And you can eat there.
Yeah, that's
Mhm.
what I heard.
Oh. Mm-hmm. Yeah, child. Wendy Williams.
Dang.
Like she was crying and everything.
Really?
Mhm.
On the show?
Oh wow. But
She opened, I think she opened up the show that way, kind of.
yeah.
Because she was standing in the audience.
Mm.
And she was like, I'm all about being transparent. And that's what I've always liked about her. Is that my phone or yours? That's what I've always liked about her.
Yeah.
Because as much shit as she talk about the world,
She's.
she don't have no problem laying her shit bare either.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Girl, you know my mama be watching all this stuff. I was like, I gotta go. Wait a minute, let me watch Wendy. Mm. Mm-hmm. There go the kick. Did y'all know that LMA had a concert
Mm-hmm.
tomorrow?
Tomorrow. They sold out. They sold out though in like 5 minutes.
Really?
Really?
Yeah, I was trying to get tickets.
I would have loved to go.
Mm-hmm.
Me too.
Just I
I don't even know all her songs, but I still
just to be there.
I still would have wanted to go so I could just experience it and be
Yeah.
like amongst them and just, dance to the beat at least. Hell.
I know all her songs.
We know you know all her songs. Child Jazmuyn know all her music. There was one song playing, I was like, I don't know who that is. I was like, oh, that's who that is?
You do know a lot of songs.
Yeah, she does.
Marks my in my feelings.
Girl.
Where did it go?
In my hand.
I seen the video that Ellen. Y'all know Ellen.
I love
She always
Ellen.
be editing stuff.
Mm-hmm. The one with R. Kelly.
Well, I didn't do that.
She took, because Gail was so composed during the whole interview. Ellen put Gail in a different series of like situations.
Oh Lord.
Some demon thing was coming after her.
And she was just sitting there.
She was in the middle of the wrestling match ring.
yes. She was sitting there, composed.
Because she was composed the whole entire time while this man was losing it.
Yes. I was like, that damn Ellen child. That shit was too funny. I just could not deal.
That's funny.
Listen. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Look now.
Right.
We're trying to enjoy food and festivity. I'm telling y'all, my neighbors, they just be excited to come home.
That's what they come in running.
Like, oh my God, yay! Like, let's go in the bedroom, see if it still looks the same. I hate them.
It sounds like they're walking like as hard as they possibly can on the ground.
Mm-hmm.
Like a stank walk.
Why?
Like, I don't get it. Like, I just feel like
I think they like tormenting.
I ain't tell you the story.
Oh my God, tell the
They
story.
got into an argument, girl. The boys came home late, drunk. But this other chick wasn't having it. She was cussing, talking like, you bring the fucking people home? And they were like, we don't say anything when you have company.
You heard all this?
And she was like, they leave at 11:30.
That's a shame.
I
you
wasn't
could
tired though.
The whole conversation.
The whole conversation.
I mean, there were some moments where it was kind of like hard to, because you know, once you know how it is, you start being nosy and like, I want to find out what's going on. Let me try to listen a little bit harder. And then I was like, okay, y'all need to shut the fuck up. Because at some point I'm going to want to go to bed. And I need to know that I can go to bed. I can't wait to move. I'm just tired of coming outside and having to walk all the way to my car. I'm tired of saying hi to neighbors.
Oh my God.
I'm tired of people letting their dog shit all over the place.
You should pick it up.
They
I'm
don't.
tired of saying hi.
It's one lady, I done watch her dog grow up. And that motherfucker still shit wherever he wants.
That's how I feel. That's how I feel. Look.
And he still don't, she don't pick it up. It drives me bonkers. I swear. I hate her.
Like, clean up after
And
your
her dog. I remember when her dog was like a puppy. He shit on the sidewalk. And I just had to stop walking. And I'm just staring at her like,
Are you
gonna
gonna
pick
pick
that
that up?
and she just looked at me, she says, hi. And I was like, are you gonna pick that up?
You said that?
Yes, bitch. This was like, be 6 months after we moved here. Child. Look, I'm being stingy. I ain't showing nobody no sauce. Here y'all go, y'all, child. See, I'm supposed to be promoting good, healthy eating on the channel now. Supposed to be giving people options, and here I am.
Are you?
The last couple videos.
It gotta be a
You had
variety.
your variety. A lot of seafood.
So the game night party will probably be, well, obviously March almost over here.
Right.
Sometime in April. Okay.
Okay.
This is gonna be at Jeanette and Bernard house, and we are going to invade the big room. Deanna gonna bring her big table for all the food
Yeah.
to be laid out. She already said she's gonna make them meatballs.
Yeah, the meatballs were good.
And we're gonna have a little bit of everything. We're gonna have some seafood. We're gonna have some meats. We're gonna have some greenery. You know, cleanse the palate.
Yeah. A little salad.
Yep. And when I know for sure what date it is, you can tell Marinette too.
Okay. I'll make some collard green egg rolls.
Yes. For the collard green egg rolls.
That sounds good.
Girl, tell me why I was watching food videos at work. I was watching Simply Food by T.Y. Girl, he was fucking them ribs up.
Really? Were they good?
Oh my God. Y'all found the meat.
Go on to the thing.
It's too funny.
Listen, Linda. I was hungry. I'm starting to feel it in my back. You know that feeling now?
Yeah.
Y'all,
Like pain.
I had cupping down on my back.
I was watching videos of that last night.
Let me see.
That's what
Like
put
that
my ass to
mark?
I look
sleep.
like I got attacked by a
Oh.
dog, but still.
I want to see.
Moody. That's what put me to sleep last night. I always like try to go on YouTube. And I did. I came across a cupping video. The girl was out in like 10 minutes. That shit looked so relaxing and put me to sleep.
It's something. I didn't know my back
Was it painful at all?
Because I have so much tension in my back, it was
Not
a little
really.
bit.
Yeah.
Oh, it was?
Mhm.
Oh, okay.
How long did they leave the cups on?
Like 15, 20 minutes I
Oh,
was sitting
wow.
there.
Where'd you go?
Well, my friend, she owns a spa in Jacksonville.
Oh, okay.
So I had
You
to
did
go to
over
her
the
spa.
weekend. Okay.
Yeah, she did a good job, but let me
But
tell
you still have the marks?
Oh yeah, my
How long it
back.
last?
My back was angry. She said 3 days. So
Yeah.
How many days has it been now?
I had it on a Saturday.
Okay.
So yeah,
Mm.
she was like, "Oh, your back is angry."
It's like, no ma'am.
I know.
Child, I could probably benefit from that.
Mm-hmm.
It feels. I mean, my back feels great, but
A lot of athletes be doing it though.
like afterwards, I was like, "Oh, yeah."
Woohoo! Listen, we're gonna do a pickleback. Okay.
Pick it back.
Child, the people gonna be like, oh, so that's how she act when she got company over. Cause you know, I just be like very calm, cool, collected. Hi guys. Welcome back, superstars.
Oh my god. I'd be like, "Who is this?"
This person.
Don't let them see me at Fins or some child. Boy, I was like struggling to walk today.
Yeah. Feels good though, right?
The bus had picked us up late, so when it dropped us off to our building, I was like, shit, I need to clock in. First first thought I had is run up the stairs. Girl, I got up like 4 steps and I was like, God, bitch was breathing heavy. I was like, oh my God, I felt like I had cramps up and down my legs. I forgot how crazy we was in the gym last night.
Yeah. Like when I got home and I laid in the bed, I was just like still wired, so I was just like laying there with my eyes
You were
wide
laying
open.
there,
I was just like
literally laying.
why am I still up?
Help me, somebody.
It's 2:00. It's 2.
2 o'clock
2:00 in the morning.
In the morning?
Oh my
2 o'clock.
lord.
Yes. It's like up. And then of course when you fall asleep, it's like, oh, it's time to get up now.
I woke up at 4:30.
Uh-oh.
And I was like, no, it's a little too early.
Mm-hmm.
I went back to sleep and woke up at 7. I'm like, thank God it ain't no school day.
Where is Jason?
Living his best life.
He's on spring break.
I purposely went to my
Everybody's
parents'
on
house
spring break,
just to see him because he has verbalized he don't want to stay over here because I have to get up so early. for work.
Really?
And he doesn't feel like he should have to get up if he doesn't have school.
Are you serious?
Interrupting his sleep. I don't blame him.
Me neither. But still, I went over there to see his ass.
That is funny.
And he was
like-
nowhere to be found, child.
He was like, "Why I need to get up?
Child,
I'm not going anywhere.
I don't have to go to work."
I'm on vacation. My mom was like, is you going to take Jason home with you? I said, why? For what? Even my dad agreed. He was like, he's not going to get up. Because I said, he's going to be getting up like it's a regular school day.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got to leave extra early because now I got to drive a whole block down to bring him to you. That's too much work.
Let him live his best life.
I'm getting full.
This sauce is good.
That's good.
The onions, girl, that's what make it.
You got to pick them up, you know?
Yeah, you gotta pick them up with that potato.
You got to pick them up with anything. Potato. Ooh, look at how it break. It reminded me when we was watching his video. He was like, "Ooh, look how that potato fall apart, just like I like it." Yeah. Look, would have really been extra if I would have cooked the mussels, child. Just to get them out of here. I'm kind of feeling my little drink here, y'all. I think I'm falling off.
Well, no.
I don't drink vodka, him.
Me either. We know that.
We'll come over here with this vodka. She got a whole bottle of whiskey at the house now. But that's okay. Because we got some stuff too.
Look, it's just been accumulating. My mom stays.
The other night we went out, Marinette came in here with a bottle of wine. It's still in the little mini fridge. I came across the bottle. I was sitting down. I was like,
Where
what
did
the
it come
hell
from?
is that? There's a whole bottle of wine. And then it dawned on me. Oh, excuse me. Yeah.
I want to try the peach crown.
I'm scared.
Everybody said it's so good.
Really?
Sounds good.
Everybody.
I just feel like you peach is kind of just like
That would be.
tough.
No, that sounds good.
Okay, well, I'll try it when somebody get it, child. And then if I like it, I'll buy it. Oh shit. Ooh, stay together.
Stay together.
How y'all feel about Oprah producing that After Neverland? Wasn't it the same boys that was defending him?
What she produce?
Was it Surviving Neverland or After Neverland?
Just after.
She had did an interview with the two guys
Mm-hmm.
who at first was praising Michael Jackson,
Right.
and saying good things about him, blah 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 blah, only to now saying Michael been dead for what, 10 years?
I think so.
That actually he did molest them
What?
the whole time and blah blah blah.
Oh, wow.
I seen somebody wrote a post talking about, I always wanted to meet Oprah. Nah, I don't care. I was like, damn. So you mean to tell me if Oprah put you on, get that check, you ain't gonna take that check?
He said,
Get
no, I
the
don't
check.
care.
No, I don't care.
They said something about she only care about herself, she don't care about black people.
What?
I keep trying to tell people you can't be wanting the whole world to respect you, and half the time we ain't out here respecting ourselves.
Mm-hmm.
How did it even make sense?
Don't.
You need to respect me,
But you ain't respecting
but you don't
your
respect
brother,
yourself.
your sister.
Yeah. Ass
Yourself.
backwards. But it's so quick to call somebody else sellout. It's okay when we kill each other,
Yeah.
but don't let a white man kill us. Then it's a problem. But it's okay for you to go kill, Mike them, because they owe you a little bit of money. So you leave his child without a father. But that's okay. Child. That's why I don't talk about shit like that, because it get me irritated. His sausage good.
Good.
This sauce is good.
It's good, but I feel like there's something missing in it. And I can't figure it out.
What did you put in it?
You gonna ask me that? the woman who don't write nothing down. I just cook.
So we just never gonna have this sauce.
Nope.
Well, no, this it's
That's
standard.
like that wing sauce.
Oh, I didn't
we
put
ain't
the
never
blue
having
agave.
that
Because I ain't
wing
got no
sauce.
more. I don't have no more blue agave.
Oh, you used it all.
I did. How you know you ain't tasted?
Because I like it as is.
What up, child? I'm gonna make some shots.